Welcome everybody, it's your girl Moesha Chantae and welcome back to another tutorial. I hope you guys have been doing well. So today I'll be showing you guys how I do my super bomb twist outs, okay, on my newly color treated hair. Alright, so let's begin. So first off, I start off by saturating my hair with water. Y'all, I love water, I really do. And I use the ORS hair repair. It has coconut oil and baobab. It is the intense moisture cream for dry, dehydrated hair. Y'all, my hair loves this stuff. I usually use, I don't know, that's bigger than a dime, bigger than a quarter size, to add to my hair at first, and then I'll add section as I go along. Inches, y'all. Throwback to when I cut my hair was like probably like this long. So it like almost doubled. Yeah, that's really good. Alright, so I'm adding just a little bit more. And typically for me, when I do my twist outs, I mean just like anybody else, for a traditional one, you split it into two, and my right hand is the dominant hand, so I will twist what's in my right hand to the left, and my opposite hand follows. And at the very end, I will twirl the ends so it has that nice little curly spunk. Y'all let me know in the comment section if y'all do that too. Literally, it's been a lifesaver. Back in the day, I usually would put perm rods or something, but my hair naturally, can do that. Black hair does that, so. Alright, time for the nape. So whatever's left over on my hand, I'll just use it to add to the back of my neck. What's able to be twisted, I'll twist up, but if I can't, I'll just do finger coils. You can't neglect the short parts, y'all. They gotta grow too, you feel me? And I don't do bonnets anymore. I don't know if it's just me. I know I'm not bald-headed. I mean, I have short hair, but I'm not bald-headed. But I can't do bonnets. They fall off in the middle of my sleep in time, so. Good morning, y'all. This is literally how I know that my hair is dry. That little bounce back it has, bomb. So I follow up with the ORS Hair Repair Coconut Oil and Baobab Vital Oils. It is also for dry, damaged hair and scalp. My hair drinks this stuff. I really do enjoy it for my scalp and my hair. So as I'm separating, I do separate each end of the twist into two as well. It's time to pick my hair. Y'all, this is literally my favorite part, which I mean is probably any black girl's favorite part. This is the time that you get to experiment with the shape and the volume of your hair. It could be bigger, it could be smaller. It's a really fun time. That bounce, that fluff, oh my goodness. So to take care of the nape, I use the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie from Target. It's $3.99 for that small container. And I'll grab just a little bit of it, add it to the sections, and just let it do its own little curl. I'll flick my wrist, the flick of the wrist like a basketball player. But yeah, it actually makes it look really, really nice. And edge booster for my edges. I could go and leave it edgeless, but my hairline comes far down in my face. I really got to do something with it. But that is it for my tutorial, you guys. Thank you so very much for watching this video and for listening to me. I really do enjoy you guys as my company. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, and concerns in the comment section. Love you guys. So this is what my hair looks like on day 3. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you.